Video, we talked about it last week. Radiator, AC condenser, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we got a leaky radiator from an off-road adventure, right? Is that what happened?
Kinda. The mounting brackets for the AC condenser broke, and the condenser flew back into the radiator.
Yeah.
So
now we got a leak. We got a leak to fix. So
that's an issue we're gonna address today.
Whole new radiator. Whole new AC coil. Is this all aluminum, or did you just go with the standard replacement?
I want a standard.
Standard replacement radiator?
I didn't see any benefits of the all aluminum other than that it was lighter.
Yep. All right, so that's it, right?
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
All right.
We got a repair video, so there's got to be a little bit less time lapse, a little more.
Yeah.
Explaining.
So essentially, that radiator comes with the mounting bracket and all that. And there's two 10mm bolts, so we got to take out on each side.
How do you get to those, though?
How do you get to those?
Is that not the one right here behind the grill?
They're like right here. Yeah.
So the grill's got to come out. Yeah, the grill most certainly has to come out. But how does it? It comes out really easy, right?
The radiator?
Grill.
The grill, yeah. You just got to push in.
So we'll pop the grill off. We'll get the radiator off. Hey, grill's out. We don't have to pull the bumper off. Set this bad boy over here. Oh no, don't do that.
girthier than something else.
Not
Anyhow,
pretty.
the radiator's done. I hope we got all the bubbles out of it.
I think we did. It was pretty hot.
The heat was coming out pretty fucking toasty.
Yeah, it's pretty warm.
I think that's about it. Yep. Yeah. Tune in next week for other shit. Peace.